Hello friends and dear students. Welcome everyone to this video about the best revision tips for all the students. This video explains the effective revision tips which will help the students to excel in exams. Good preparation for exams is the key to success. The revision process will deepen and strengthen the academic skills and the analytical skills of students. Now I will explain the effective revision strategies. The most important aspect of effective revision is proper planning. So first, plan your revision. Start revising about 2 months before the exams. Starting early revision and regularly relearning the topics will ingrain the academic knowledge in long-term memory. Develop a regular, systematic study schedule. Overview each subject. Separate the topics into 3 categories. The first category includes the topics you are confident with. The second category consists of all the topics you know but still needs to work on. The third category includes a topic which you are not confident with. This separation will help the students to realistically understand how much effort is further necessary to learn all the topics in the best way. Make revision timetable with clear priorities and realistic goals for all the dates up to the exams. Count exactly how many days you have before each exam. Set goals for each day. Keep the timetable and also the daily to-do list on the study table. Go through the syllabus properly and prioritize the subjects which need to be revised with more effort. More time should be given to difficult topics. Accordingly, allot time for each subject and learn well the key concepts in focus areas. Set up a good study space. Make your study space free of all distractions. Find a quiet area in your house and the space should be clean and comfortable. Prepare revision cards which contain topic headings and the key points. This will be very useful for the final stages of revision. Note all the important points and the key terms and summarize the content being revised. This process of summarizing will help to fix the most important ideas related to that topic in mind. One of the best ways to memorize a large number of information quickly is to use a mnemonic device. Use mnemonic devices like acronyms, which will definitely increase the learning efficiency. Mnemonics will help the students to summarize information to make it easier to learn. Very effective learning strategy is spaced repetition. This is an important learning technique which involves increasing the intervals of time between subsequent review of the study material. The first repetition should be done before sleep the same day, a few minutes of quick review. The second quick repetition can be done after 3 days, third repetition after 5 days, and the fourth after 1 week. This learning technique will help to register the information more deeply and retain the information in long-term memory. Motivation is an essential factor which encourages the students to give their best performance in exams. Hence, be intrinsically motivated. It will strengthen the potential to learn faster and score top grades. Active recall is a very good revision strategy. Teaching the material learned to someone in the family has been found to boost the memory of students. This will also help to find out any gaps in knowledge, and thus the student will be able to go back and relearn the material in detail. Solving model question papers should be done regularly every week during the last 2 months prior to the exams. By this, you can identify which all topics you need to study more and schedule more time for the difficult topics. By doing these tests, the students will also understand the question pattern, the amount of time required to answer each question, and the areas where improvement is required. Students should always maintain a healthy lifestyle, eat balanced diet, and ensure adequate sleep every night. Always keep calm. Don't panic. Relax and improve your self-confidence. Overcome the exam anxiety by increasing the self-esteem. Always be optimistic. A positive mindset is essential to accomplish your goals related to exams. Avoid comparing with other students. So, dear students, effective revision is the key to achieve top performance in exams. By adopting the best ways of revision, the students will be able to maximize their memory and increase their academic information, which will definitely lead them to excellence in exams. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. Best wishes to all students. Thank you. Have a great day.